Lalu Prasad Yadav has been convicted in the fodder scam and has been found guilty of misusing 37 crore rupees when he was Chief Minister of Bihar. Besides the RJD chief, 44 other people were also found guilty in one of the 5 fodder scam cases. This conviction means that Lalu Yadav stands disqualified immediately as a member of parliament because of a recent Supreme Court judgment. He faces a minimum of 3 years and possibly up to 7 years in jail. Video conferencing will be used for the sentencing on Thursday. The case is related to a larger scam which saw huge amounts of government money being used to pay fictitious bills for medicine and fodder for cattle. Lalu Yadav was the Bihar Chief Minister and was considered virtually unshakable when he had to resign in 1997 after being charged in the scam. He promptly placed his wife Rabri Devi as Chief Minister, but in the 2005 elections he lost Bihar to Nitish Kumar, who's been in power ever since. Lalu Yadav's son Tejasvi Pratap, who was present during the verdict, said that the RJD will fight the fodder scam verdict electorally as well as legally, going on to add that it's a political conspiracy.
पे हमें पूरा भरोसा है और जल्दी हम लोग जनता का जो अदालत है हम लोग वहां भी जाएंगे और ऐसी शक्तियां जो कॉन्स्पिरेसी के तहत हमारे नेता को फंसाने की कोशिश की है, आने वाले चुनाव में इनको मुंहतोड़ जवाब देने का काम किया जाएगा.
Any possible celebrations if Lalu Yadav was acquitted took a back seat. There were firecrackers that were brought in a car by the RJD. But as soon as it was evident that Lalu Yadav had been convicted along with more than 40 others, this car drove away.
Very briefly, I just want to ask you one question. I mean, just to recap, what were your arguments in court that suggested that Mr. Prasad was innocent, but now the judgment comes?
Because he was the person who knowledge of a scam. The moment he ordered for registration of cases. And followed it up, 42 cases were registered on the orders of Lalu Prasad. Since 77, a scam was going on. But it was detected in 96 and immediately he ordered for that.
But did the judge agree? Did he give any reasoning why he was convicting Mr. Yadav?
We have not got the judgment yet. Judgment he will deliver us on.
Quantum of sentence will be decided on 3rd October.
And judgment will also be delivered same.
And is it through video conferencing?
It is through video conferencing as well as through lawyers.
So you dealt extensively with Mr. Yadav over the past many years in pursuing this case. What was his reaction when this judgment actually came out, sir? You must have been there.
He respected court version, court judgment. He told court, whatever you have given, I feel I will challenge it, but he said not.
Are you suggesting that your argument?
Judgment later.
So very quickly, Mr. Sinha, are you also suggesting that Mr. Lalu himself was a whistleblower and yet he was convicted here?
Yeah, he was a whistleblower.